Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. One way of enjoying the health benefits of leafy greens is to add them to soups and stews. In this video, I demonstrate making a white bean chili with kale. To make about 6 cups, you'll need 8 ounces of dry navy or great northern beans. Soak the beans overnight in several changes of water to decrease cooking time and reduce flatulence-producing chemicals. 1 small onion diced, about 1 tablespoon of olive or other oil, about 3 ounces of andouille or other spicy sausage diced. For vegetarian chili, omit the sausage. 1 small tomato diced, about 2 ounces of diced roasted hatch chilies or 4 ounces of canned green chilies. Roasting gives a smoky flavor to chilies. You can use any variety of fresh or prepared chilies and adjust the amount to your taste. 1 large clove of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. You can increase or decrease the amount of cumin to taste. About 1 teaspoon of dried oregano or marjoram, adjusting the amount to your taste. About 4 to 6 cups of low-sodium vegetable or chicken broth. Use about 4 cups for chili and about 6 cups for a thinner soup. About 3 ounces of shredded Monterey Jack, Colby, or cheddar cheese, or grated Romano or Parmesan cheese, or any combination of cheeses. Omit the cheese for a vegan chili. About 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, adjusting the amount to taste, and about 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, again adjusting the amount to your taste. About 4 cups of chopped kale or any leafy green, and 6 ounces of low or zero-fat Greek or plain yogurt. Heat the oil in a 5-quart pan over medium heat. Add the onion and cook 2 to 3 minutes or until the onion begins to soften. Add the sausage and cook stirring until the sausage begins to brown. Add the garlic and diced chilies and cook stirring about 1 minute. Next, stir in the cumin and oregano. Cook about 1 minute, stirring constantly to prevent the garlic from burning. Stir in the broth, followed by the beans. Increase the heat to high. Bring to a boil, cover the pan, reduce heat to low, and simmer 1.5 to 2 hours or until the beans are tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Season with salt and pepper, adjusting the amount to taste. Stir in the diced tomato, followed by a handful of kale. As the kale wilts, continue to stir in more kale until all the kale is incorporated into the chili. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the cheese a little at a time until melted. Adjust the seasoning and serve. A 1-cup serving made with sausage and yogurt has about 295 calories, 11 grams of saturated fat, 475 milligrams of sodium, 10 grams of fiber, and 20 grams of protein. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.